Veg chicken curry. Yeah, that's. Baby, but one thing is there, huh?
Charlu is
कुछ नहीं होगा 2 सीटी हो गया
Ollie and Melvina gave. Thank you.
I'm reading this book.
What is Chester looking for? Hey guys, welcome back to
Life with the Sequeras.
So a very good morning. Firstly, thank you so much for viewing the Don Bosco Yuva Center vlog. Of course, in between while traveling, I mean not traveling, I'm saying while doing the Way of the Cross, we couldn't vlog much. We just had to show you the snippets only because we were also praying. We were praying for everyone, so it didn't look good to vlog and talk while everybody is praying. So we chose not to. We just chose to just record and show you guys what we did. It was a beautiful experience, and I would recommend everybody to go and visit. There were many people who came from Nasik, who came from Pune for that, and just good to see so many people out there. And today, after a very long time, baby is finally making dosa chutney for us. So yay, amazing breakfast. And Hriday is still sleeping. He has his vacations on. He's enjoying his vacations, I have to tell you. Playing on the mobile, using laptop now. He's grown, so using laptop, reading books, and then we are watching TV and movies. So he's having a good gala time here. And baby is now going to make dosa, and he'll show you how it is. So Bagu, aajsa divas.
कैसा करतो?
Good morning, Charlie. How are you? You also want food? Yes? I will give you, okay? In some time. When we all have breakfast, we'll have together, okay? Time to make some chutney. Coriander chutney, yeah? Green chutney.
Coconut and all. I've put ginger, coconut, now putting chilies.
Make it a bit spicy, huh?
Yeah. 4 chilies I put.
Must. कुछ नहीं कम नहीं है क्या लग रहा है मेरे को कम का लग रहा है मेरे को व्हाट यू थिंक
It's a lot. See?
बहुत है हाँ फिर ठीक है डाल Maybe what is this you're putting?
This is roasted chana.
ये फर्स्ट टाइम डाल रही है यूजुअली यू डोंट पुट क्या बात कर रहे व्हेन आई मेक दैट टाइम आई डोंट पुट
I used to not put before. Anju told me to put.
हाँ
She puts. It's called dalia.
दलिया ओके क्लीनिंग इट्स रेडी वाह 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 कम नहीं लग रहे बेबी
नहीं really.
कम लग रहे वो यू नो हाउ मच आई लाइक चटनी सो इडली एंड डोसा बैटर इज हियर
Aimed at making it at home a lot, but finally Zepto to the rescue.
yeah because we have other work to do as well so we need to just
I forgot to actually soak it. That's
see I'm
why.
defending you here baby I'm defending you that you forgot to do that in the night yeah and you want to tell the truth you can say it's fine yeah she forgot to do it Chester no
Chalo done.
in that house you're not going to enter the kitchen only mama has made provisions for that बस बेबी पानी डालेंगे ना अभी इसमें
नहीं.
नहीं क्या बात कर रहे हैं
It's already this.
So dosas are getting ready one by one. We'll be having garam garam. चाय भी बन के आने वाला है. Baby, all the best. So Hriday is here. Hriday, say good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
So how's the dosa and chutney?
Very good.
Really? Or are you just saying for namesake purpose?
Very good. But
Ah.
a little bit spicy.
The chutney needs to be spicy. Good. Enjoy. baby. Ah, here it is. Ha 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 ha. Lovely, lovely, lovely. मजा. गरम गरम. Oh, इतना बड़ा. Nice.
Chester. Hey, Chester. Chester's come. मस्त छान नाश्ता केला. Baby, how was the chutney and dosa?
It was good. मजा आया.
Good. बहुत
Full.
मजा आया. And now I'll show you what baby is doing. What you doing, baby? Charlu, he's looking like a small baby रहता है ना. Charlu.
He likes this. I want to go to mama.
Hey,
Want to go to mama?
Kitten.
Go to mama. Go. Hey,
Coco's
Bugula.
also here. And Chester's also come here now.
Hey, Bugu. Hey, Bugu. Hey, Bugu. Charlie, Coco. Chester, come here. Come here. Where is Chester? Come here. Chester, come here. Ah, yes, he's come. ये मारेगा अभी इसको. फटका खाएगा फटका.
Baby, put those batteries ना.
यार
AC के रिमोट में भी डाल, टीवी के रिमोट में भी डाल.
वही कर रहा था.
Chester, no
I
darling.
wanted to do that only. These three came in for लाड़ प्यार. Duracell batteries only. Look, no down. I'm using scissors.
Scissors है Chester.
Come this side. Come down. Where's the stick gone? Where's the stick? Brother, get the stick. Get the stick. Ah, sit. Sit. You sit, no problem.
स्टिक
नाही
बोललं तर
मस्ती.
लगेच असा मांडीत बसतो.
Bubu.
चालू
Very
बेटा.
good.
ए चालू. चार्ली लोग क्या? सोनू.
What do you want? What is there to smell in this?
He likes batteries.
This one.
चार्ली हाँ. चलो.
So let's get this done. Have to put it. Ever ready था पहले बकवास.
Why you need scissors?
There is no perforated lines in this, so we have to cut it.
Did I get the TV remote also? Baby, put it in the TV remote also. It's double A, no? Triple A.
Triple A.
हाँ. कैसे दोनों देख रहे हैं देख.
As we are giving them food. Okay, this is what your food are. Nonsense. Get both the remotes together, the new one also.
चालू हो गया.
Oh, all three of you are for Kajar ka halwa.
Yes. Lolly and Melvina gave. Thank you. They got it from Guru Krupa. What you two want?
They also.
Very tasty. You want?
No thanks. I
Thoda
don't like.
pape
I don't like Gajar ka halwa.
See how tempting it looks.
Yeah.
No.
Very bad, huh?
No.
No, Charlie. Coco, mama teasing you.
Hey, I'm not teasing. कुछ
Then ऐसा ऐसा करेगा तो tease ही है ना वो. I'm working on a script for my next video on faith over feelings always. But the best view is this. So guys, today something special happening. We are going to have veg chicken curry. Veg chicken curry. Yeah, that's you heard it right. Veg chicken curry. Sounds bizarre, but baby is going to do it. Baby can make the impossible possible. So today she's going to make veg chicken gravy. Now what exactly it is, even I don't know. Okay, so she's going to prepare it and we're going to show you. So she will talk about it more. Baby, are you ready to speak?
Yes.
Yes. So you're from Pooja Abigail Sequeira. So baby, are you all set to tell us? Have you washed the chicken?
Yes. So today I'm going to make jackfruit curry. This is raw jackfruit.
So it's not chicken.
No, I've never made this, but I have seen n number of recipes on it. And my friend Anju, she's a Jain, so she likes to eat this. So today I'm going to try it out. So to start with, ह्याच्यामध्ये मी पाणी घेतलंय.
Okay, you boiled water? Or no?
No, I'm
Cooker में. Okay.
कुकर में पानी डाला है. And now I'm going to add a little haldi.
Haldi.
Yes.
Okay, nice.
And a very
So a lot of masala. Okay, only haldi and red chili powder.
Yes.
Okay.
And now I'm going to
Add in these
this is raw jackfruit.
raw jackfruit. Okay, raw jackfruit. Okay, it looks like the skin कुछ है. It looks like snake रे baby. ये देख.
That is the jackfruit का ऐसे whole that
Baby, it's
spice
scary to
रहता है
have.
ना.
It's safe to eat, no?
Of course.
Oh, nice.
So first
nice.
we will boil all of this,
हाँ.
and after this we are going to fry it.
Fry it.
Yes, little like shallow fry it
Oh, okay. So now you're gonna keep this for
for two
2 whistles.
whistles. Yes.
Okay. As the jackfruit is getting prepared, let me ask Hriday, what is he doing? Hriday, what are you doing?
I'm reading this book.
Oh, what? Show me the book. Show me the book. Which book is this? Our Planet Earth, Natural Wonders. Okay.
And then after reading one chapter, I'll start writing it
Why are you writing?
to improve my handwriting.
Okay. Good, good, good. So, what is the first topic on?
What are
Natural Wonders and the Grand Canyon. Oh, nice, interesting topics.
So while that is getting ready,
Hmm.
I have made some preparations.
Okay.
I've taken sliced onions,
Sliced onions, lovely.
3 of them.
Okay.
Then I have taken 2 potatoes with skin because
Okay.
baby loves it with skin.
Skin, yes.
Coriander, I will chop it for garnishing.
Huh.
Then these are the powdered spices: garam masala, Kashmiri lal, chicken masala, dhania jeerachi powder, haldi, and some salt.
Okay.
And this is my favorite.
What is
it's
this?
Tomato paste along with some whole spices and 2 red chilies.
What is Chester looking for there, baby? वो भी अंदर देख रहे हैं which utensils to use and all. हाँ, Chester? What are you looking at?
Where is that? It's
What are you searching for, baby?
this thing.
Ah, okay.
So now our jackfruit is ready.
Oh, it is.
Yes.
I didn't see that on you. Wow, 2 सीटी हो गया?
हाँ.
Oh, wow. Okay, that is the chicken's leg. That's the chicken breast and whatnot.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, I think it's that texture. वो देख ना ऐसा thread जैसे
हाँ,
आया है ना.
like-
I think that is what might be like chicken.
Correct, possible. Hey, this chicken does not want to be eaten, I guess. Or it's going to go in someone's mouth, Chester's mouth. Eh?
Chester, you'll eat little.
You'll eat everything.
Boiled, I'll give you 1 or 2 pieces.
Okay. इसमें seeds नहीं डाला है ना? Seeds भी है.
Seeds है.
Seeds why?
वो ripe we can eat.
हाँ. Okay. Okay. Yes, something is happening. What's happening there?
That is jeera rice. That is my
Okay,
shortcut
jeera rice. Ah, okay. Next is what, baby? Next step?
Now fry
Fry what? This.
them.
Oh, so you're gonna fry this. We have kept everything ready. Oil किधर है? Oil है इधर.
I will need a lot of it.
Ah, that's what I mean. तो spoon क्यों use कर रही है? Nice. Deep fry नहीं कर सकते क्या?
No, darling. What everything you want deep fried?
अरे हाँ, but deep fry. It takes in less oil, by the way, in deep fry. Shallow में ज़्यादा लेते हैं. You know that, right?
चलो.
ये पानी सब निकला है.
थोड़ा ऑयल को हीट होने दे.
All right, it's ready to be fried. Hey, be careful.
Okay, so it's fried. This much only.
Yeah, this much.
ज़्यादा नहीं
See
करने
ना,
का.
इसका color change हुआ. It was yellow, now it's become a little dark. See?
It is not looking like chicken, looking like some other flesh only, baby. वो मटन दिख रहा है मेरे को. मैरो बोन रहते हैं ना.
Sorry, Anju. I will next time make it without this garlic and give you.
अंजू भाभी अगर आप देख रहे हो तो ये बना के दे रही है, ऐसे बोल रही है. देखते रहे अभी कब. So in that same oil that we had fried the jackfruit, we can start preparing by frying first the potatoes with skin, of course. आराम से बेबी. A spoon. Okay. Potato also fried and we're keeping it aside. Now on the very same pan.
Adding our onions.
Hey. गिराया गिराया गिराया. क्या गिराया? अच्छा वो हो गया क्या रेडी? क्या है उसमें जीरा राइस ना? हाँ फिर ठीक है. Now what are you going to put?
Ginger garlic paste.
Must. Alright, now she's going to add in her paste that she had prepared beforehand. Are you going to put water?
Beta. I just hope it tastes good. Tastes good.
I'll be the judge of that. Judge करूँगा मैं.
हाइप किया है ना.
Let's see, let's see. Now goes in all the masalas. These masalas we have already told you earlier, so please check it out. And now acha. बस. बेबी कल का सोया चंक्स करी है ना, बैकअप. But ठीक है, it's looking good. Now we're going to put that.
Wait, no.
Baby, why are you putting ghee when you already put oil?
अरे but
You're adding your own touch or what? Baby, have faith. अच्छा आएगा taste, don't worry.
a little ghee will make it better. All the spices ना roasted रहता है, ऐसा घी में taste आएगा.
Viewers, please handle with care when you're making all this.
कुछ भी.
Do not blame Pooja Raj looks. And now finally the main ingredient. Veg chicken is finally getting marinated.
You can make suka also, or you can make it like
Manchurian also, like how I make always with soya chunks, no?
Manchurian. No, like you can keep the consistency as per your taste.
Okay, now we are adding in water. Baby, but one thing is there, huh? हृदय और मैं अगर पसंद नहीं आई तो नहीं खाएंगे, बट जो भी रहेगा ये कार्टून सब खाएगा. No, just you'll have no water, no, yes you'll have, yes. Add in some more water and then let it cook. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, put it. Baby says it's ready, so let's check it out. Ah, chicken का smell आ रहा है. Oh, it looks like mutton रे baby, like. Chicken बोलना नहीं चाहिए था, mutton बोलना चाहिए था. So now you're gonna garnish it.
Yeah, I think और थोड़ा dry होने देना. You wanted this पतला?
नहीं नहीं, I want a little bit thick. Yeah,
So
उसको
let
थोड़ा.
it थोड़ा
ठीक
remove
है.
the lid
Hmm,
like this.
my favorite. Nice, very nice, very nice. Looking forward to having this now. This and jeera rice, correct? Ready? Oh, nice. इसको देख के मुंह पे तो पानी आ रहा है, but now let's actually give it a taste and tell you whether it's a pass or a fail. Baby, are you ready for that?
Yes.
Again, we have backup. Tension mat lo. है backup, बहुत backup है. But now let's go and do the tasting.
So now finally it's testing time.
Let's taste it. This looks like a proper piece. Let me just taste that first. I thought it'll come out. ये गरम है थोड़ा. Shredded chicken की जैसा है. लग तो रहा है. Let's see how it tastes. Okay, it's like
Sabzi.
cauliflower.
Yeah.
Decent.
Decent
Good.
enough.
Yeah.
Of
Like,
course, it won't taste like exact chicken. It's not chicken.
but I won't even consider that to be like really very great. Soya chunks is the best substitute. Not this for sure.
Okay, but how is the curry and all?
Good. Achha, good enough.
Good. Chalo, Hriday, you also start eating. Hriday is having a paratha.
I don't want paratha.
Okay.
Let's now take the review from Pooja, who is who loves having veg, so she might give a proper review to this. Gravy is good, baby. There's no doubt. Tell me how the jackfruit tastes.
So good, baby.
You liked it? For real? Vegetarians will definitely like it.
It's good. You mix that piece in the gravy and eat it. Yummy. Yummy na Coco? Mast bana hai.
Okay, chalo. We'll have our dinner and we'll decide on what to watch. Not Detective Conan. No, I don't want. Thank you. I don't like paratha with that. You enjoy. So guys, this is where we end the vlog. That is something new that we had tried. And with regards to pass and fail, I would say it's in the middle. I don't know how to say that. But it was an okay dish. I won't say it was baby's great dish or something like that. And coming from the perspective of a non-vegetarian, so definitely not that great. But I guess vegetarians, especially Jains, will love it. And now that's how we do it at our home. We experiment with the food items. So I'm just waiting for Lent to get over, for waiting for Easter. Now I'm getting a bit a bit irritated, you can say, because I'm not getting non-veg. But it's just a week and a half more to go. I will control myself, and that's where I'm going to end the vlog as well. So asa hota aamcha Purna Divas. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमचं चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.